All right, traders, I posted a really important video yesterday. This one here, trading the session initial range. What I want to do with this video is show you the Asian session outcome so far today. I might close this basket of trades, but let's just go through them and have a look and see where they're all at. You know, while you're ahead, what time is it now? It's, yeah, okay, 11. Let's just check it out. Yeah, I mean, look, it's all systems go green. Okay, opened at the Asian session, open when the Asian session kicked off. Okay, after this initial range, it's all green here, both of these. Okay, so it's a no-brainer. We buy. Pound Kiwi was the next one. Really nice outcome today, guys. And again, the initial range from the open of the Asian session to the first hour, we get this bearish break, but the signal to get short is this one. And of course, you know, it's in a bearish trend behind, so no brainer, we go short. This is the strategy, guys. This is the culmination of everything I've been working towards to beat market volatility in this crazy, chaotic market with the geopolitical issues and the tariffs, you know, the US tariffs, and you know, it's a real pump and dump environment. And yeah, this is it. This is it. We've got it. Okay, trend sync, that's the indicator. This is the strategy. This is the indicator. It's red. That's it. Pound Aussie. I closed that one. I've closed all of these a little bit early, but I was just happy to secure profits and then go and have a bit of a break. But just disregarding this table on the, over here, you know, the higher time frame is bullish. Forget that. We're just running with this. Trend momentum sync is telling us to sell, and we've got the trend track multi. This is tracking actually a 15-minute. This one's tracking the 30, the 1, and the 2 hour. Really nice outcome. Euro yen. Right, we're going to see more of this next week, guys. Big time. Bearish. All right. We've got trend momentum sync. You know, and look, the other one you can include if you like. Let's just take out the channel. We don't need the channel. Is the trend bars. It will just give you the bar colors. Okay, so they're either red, white, or green. Red and white is, you know, bearish. Green and white, bullish. Okay, so there you go. See, so we've got red bars. Sell on the trend momentum sync. Background here, okay, is bearish. Euro pound. This one was a little bit tricky. The background was green. My entry point back there. See, it didn't turn red until after. But regardless of the background, and you know, you could probably reconsider if you want to take that or not. But this is the indicator that I'm mainly interested in. This is telling us that sellers are in control at this point. So I went off that, and then again, you know, it turned red down in here. Right, so that was entered about there, short. Look at my wide stops. That's going to have to change, and it will. It's taking me a while, guys. I've over 20 years of trading and a habit of wide stops trading, you know, the daily time frame. It's taking me a long time to surrender. But I mean, look, you know, next week when we trade this strategy and we build more cellular memory with doing this, and then we get to, the main thing is we get to trust the system. We trust the process. Then the stops are going to come down, and that's going to make all the difference. 2R by default, tight stop, that kind of thing. Could have been a very different outcome, but that's fine. And the Swissy yen, all right. See, my stops aren't not too bad there. How could it have been different? Well, I went short there. Stop loss just goes with the red shaded zone, you know, and that would have been okay. The red shaded zone at the time of the trade was there. That's your stop loss level. Swiss yen and then Aussie dollar. Really nice outcome today, guys. Asian session. Look at it. Just brilliant. You can gain access to my indicators and my system, my trading system. Mentorship videos, they go in here. Here are my mistakes so you don't have to make them, right? This was after the London session last night. Okay. This is a different strategy, this one, but I think what we're doing at the moment is king. Absolutely. Forex trades. Okay, I'm placing my trades in here. So this video is so important. Trading the session initial range breakout. Okay, so that's part of that. And I generally place my trades in here so you can see what I'm trading. in real time. But these ones go into Telegram. I'm not going to screenshot every single trade. I didn't screenshot these this morning because I just really wanted to focus. But yeah, you can gain access, guys. There's a 14-day trial where you can test the indicators, and I'm going to highly recommend that you follow this very strategy. This is it. There's 2R. There's the initial range. We wait for that, and then after that we get the bullish break. And again, the trend momentum sync is green, and the trend multi TF is green. It's a no-brainer. Take it, Aussie CAD. Okay, that's the outcome from the Asian session today. Right, the 14-day free trial, anthonyfx.com. Scroll down this page and click on WAP, or you can go PayPal if you like, but gain full access to the indicators, tutorials, mentorship video on this strategy. Test it out yourself, and this will set you on the path of independence. You'll be able to trade prop firm accounts or your own account. You won't have to rely on anybody's third-party signals as such. You'll be able to use these indicators, generate your own signals, and change the outcome of your entire trading experience. All right, so at the moment, it's free for 14 days. You don't get billed. And then all I'm asking for now, while I've been sorting out this strategy, it's taken some time to come to this point. Just shut me lunch once a month, and I'm happy with that for now. You lock that in, and that's going to be there forever, all right? But I could tell you now, this coming week is going to be the threshold, honestly, where this is going to get bumped up, and I'm thinking $79.95. So you could lock that in, and it'll always be $29.95, no matter what I do with the price. Click on WAP, and then to access the indicators and Telegram and everything else, go back into WAP. Once you click this gain access, go back into WAP and then click all the links there, and then that'll instantly set you up with access to everything, to all this stuff here, up in here. Yeah, Discord, VIP, everything. All right, guys. I'm super excited for next week. And look, seriously, I've worked really hard ever since, Trump took office and the Bank of Japan rate rise. It's all this volatility that's kicked in recent times has been a real challenge. And, everything that I've done with these indicators and the strategy has been focused on beating the volatility. And I'm really pleased to say that we've absolutely nailed it. So with that, have a great day. And, look forward to seeing you in VIP. It's free, 14 days. All right, catch you in the next one.